How to use Pay on Delivery on Amazon. This video will show you a guide process on how to pay delivery on Amazon. To pay on delivery on Amazon is that we need to log into our Amazon account. Browse and add items to your cart. Select the products you wish to purchase and add them to your shopping cart. Next is to proceed checkout. This is just a simple step. Review your order and click on the checkout button. Enter shipping address, provide your delivery address, then select payment method. On the payment page, you need to choose Pay on Delivery as your payment option. And that is all. You can now confirm your order and review all the details and place your order. After a while, you will receive and pay upon delivery. Upon delivery, you need to pay the delivery agent using your selected payment method, which is Pay on Delivery. And that is basically it on how to pay on delivery on Amazon.